Ionic equilibrium, few conceptual questions we were discussing. This you can say part 3. Nitrogen trihalides are. Nitrogen trihalides means NX3. There will be a lone pair on nitrogen, so they are Lewis bases. The species which are having lone pairs, they are Lewis bases. Which of the following species acts as Lewis acid and also as Lewis base? Okay, which of the following can function like Lewis acid as well as Lewis base? So it is possible when the molecule is having a lone pair of electrons. This is lone pair of electrons and it is attached to oxygen by multiple bonds. When multiple bonds are there with a more electronegative atom, then positive charge is developed on this sulfur. So this sulfur can function like acid. Multiple bonds with dissimilar atoms, Lewis acid. Because of lone pair, it is Lewis acid as well as Lewis base. Strength of weak acid or a weak base depends upon its degree of dissociation. If more degree of dissociation is there, that is strong. If less degree of dissociation is there, that is weak. And as you increase the temperature, the dissociation will be increasing. Definitely it increases. And nature of solvent is also one of the reason. In protic solvents, aprotic solvents, polar solvents, like that also it is going to depend. So all these can function on the strength of the acids, weak acids and weak bases. Coming to this, conjugate base of Al H2O taken 6. Conjugate base means you need to take out one proton. Here 6 water molecules are there. You keep 5 water molecules as it is 4. So this is not your option, not your option, not your option. Answer is this one. But I will give you the right idea. See, 6 are there, so you kept 5 as it is. From one water molecule, you removed H plus. Okay, this plus 3 will become plus 2 because one H plus gone out. Conjugate base means one proton should be less. Conjugate base of CuNH3 taken 6. Similar type of question. NH3 taken 6 na, keep 5 as it is. 3 are there, 4 are there, 4 are there. So these 3 are not your options. Your option is this one. Very funny, na? Easy question. So NH3 taken 5. If you understand this logic, these things will be very easy. And this from one of the NH3 you are removing one hydrogen, so here remaining is NH2. So this plus 2 will become plus. Okay. So such kind of questions will give us teachers a good smile. So fine. So next. In the reaction, CH3COOH plus H2O gives rise to H3O plus and CH3COO minus. H3O plus acts as, H3O plus is always strong acid. It can release proton very comfortably, so H3O plus is always strong acid. Which of the following is relatively strong base? Yes, this is one wonderful question. Here you need lot of concepts. Relatively strong base means, first of all, you need to see it should come from weak acid. Weak acids conjugate base is relatively strong. So here this is, it came from CH3OH, not a bad one. It can give proton. It is better than water. It is benzene. This is methane, from methane, and this is coming from C2H2. C2H2 is also fine because here triple bond carbon is there, more electronegative atom. So this is fine. No worries about this. So this is a good acid. Actually, it came from a good acid, C2H2. It is a good acid, not better, not worst. This is okay, fine. Now look at this. This is coming from benzene. Benzene is not good because by losing proton, it is not becoming stable. And methane is even worst. Okay, now at least in benzene there is a double bond carbon. Here single bond carbons are there. Single bond carbons are less electronegative. They can't release proton. They can't hold negative charge. So they are going to be very, very less stable. When they are less stable, they are going to be strong bases. So this is your right option. Conjugate base of H2 is, from H2, you remove one H plus. So remaining is H minus. Simple. From H2, you removed H plus, so remaining is H minus, hydride ion. What is the decreasing order of strength of the bases? OH minus, NH2 minus, CH triple bond C minus, CH3, CH2 minus. Okay, this is previous IIT question. So see, these kind of questions are very common. Don't think that 1993, this will come even 2023 also, right? Very, very strong question. Just see from where it has come. It came from H2O. It came from ammonia. This came from CH triple bond CH. And this came from CH3, CH3. You see, this is water, this is ammonia, this is acetylene. In all these cases, this is more electronegative, this is more electronegative. Triple bond carbon is more electronegative. So all these can hold a negative charge. They can hold. But this carbon, very less electronegative, just 2.5 on Pauling scale. It can't hold the negative charge properly. When this can't hold negative charge properly, it is going to attract the compounds very, very easily. So this is going to be the strongest base. He is asking the strength of the base. This is the strongest base. Then see the electronegativity. Triple bond carbon 3.29 on Pauling scale. Remember, very, very important. Oxygen 3.5. Nitrogen 3.0. So next base is, this is less electronegative strong base. First place. Then NH2 minus. Then this one. And last is OH minus. So let's go with the options. Correct. We will take a break after these three questions. Just check. Strongest conjugate base among the following is, just now we were discussing similar to this. Strongest conjugate base means the acid must be weakest acid. This is water. This is coming from HClO4, strongest acid. So this is weakest conjugate base, you can say. This is coming from ammonia. This is coming from HF. Of all this, ammonia is the weakest acid, so NH2 minus is the strongest base. NH2 minus is the strongest base. Less electronegative atom with negative charge is always strong. And these points we will discuss in organic chemistry. Okay, now in organic chemistry, so many such kind of things will be there in carbon ions and all that. Nucleophilicity, basicity there. Which of the following is an acidic salt? Acidic salt means it must be able to release one proton. See, it can release NaHPO4 minus. It can even release NaPO4 minus 2. That means it is having still 2 hydrogens. So this is acidic salt. You can ask why not this one? Because it is actually coming from H3PO3. H3PO3 is a dibasic acid. Correct? Already 2 gone. So it can't. This hydrogen is attached to phosphorus. It won't go. Here already all gone. This is, you can see 2 hydrogens, but these 2 won't go because this is coming from H3PO2. H3PO2 is a monobasic acid. It can release only one. It can release only one. Fine. So answer is this one. Which of the following is a normal salt? Normal salt means no chance of releasing H plus or no chance of releasing OH minus. So 1, 2, 3, all the above. So this is up to 39. From 40 onwards we'll start in another class. Signing off. Lucky sir. ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా మనం, అడగకపోతే అమ్మ కూడా పెట్టదన్నట్టు నేను మిమ్మల్ని చెప్తున్నాను. ఇది మీకు బాగా నచ్చినట్టయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇంకేం చేయగలుగుతారు మీరు? షేర్ చేయొచ్చు. రైట్, యూ కెన్ షేర్. ఓకేనా? లక్కీ సార్.